Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set Ford Fiesta music system. Start by turning the ignition to accessory mode and power the head unit on, then access the main menu to find audio and Bluetooth options. I'll walk you through pairing a phone, adjusting EQ and balance, and saving presets for quick access. Follow along step by step, and I'll share tips to reduce road noise and improve sound clarity in your Fiesta. Begin pairing by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and selecting the Fiesta stereo from available devices. If prompted, confirm the PIN code shown on both screens and accept connection permissions for contacts and media. Once paired, play a short audio clip to test media streaming and make a quick call to verify hands-free mic performance. If problems appear, toggle Bluetooth off and on both devices and retry the connection sequence. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video to support future car tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and priorities, and it pairs nicely with sensible upgrades for your car. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab a copy if curious, and now let's get back to the video. Open the audio settings and select the equalizer preset closest to your taste, then tweak bass, mid, and treble for balanced sound in the cabin. Adjust balance and fade so instruments and vocals sit naturally where you drive most. If your Fiesta has a subwoofer or bass boost, increase in small steps and listen for distortion. Save custom presets so you can switch quickly between drivers or music genres while on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.